Hey everybody, how you doing? This is George, aka Agent 86, and today we're going to be installing FreeFlix HQ on your Amazon Fire. The first thing you're going to need is the downloader application. If you don't have the downloader application, in the top left corner, click the little loop and search the word downloader. In the apps and games section, you're going to see this orange icon with the arrow pointing down. That's the downloader application. Click right there and you're going to get this page. And simply click Get for it to start downloading the application. It should take around 20 or 30 seconds for the application to download. And this is the first step that you're going to need to do to go ahead and install the Avenger Store on the Amazon Fire TV. Go ahead and open the application. Alright, so inside the downloader, you're simply going to type in this URL, avengerelectronics.com/. Alright, once you get to this page, simply scroll down and click on this red box here. It's not really optimized for Amazon Fire, however this is going to work for you. Next thing you're going to get is this install screen. Click next and then install, and there you go. The Avenger Store is now being installed on your Amazon Fire TV. Once inside the Avenger Store, go down to Top Applications and slide over to FreeFlix HQ. Then click Install. And there you go. FreeFlix HQ has been installed on your Amazon Fire. Don't forget to check out avengerelectronics.com for more great apps as well as the best hardware in the industry.
Don't forget to subscribe.
We hope this video helped.
If you have any questions, don't forget to comment below.
We definitely appreciate you watching, and as always, have a great day.